Hello, my name is Viren Prajapat and I am working in Kian Technologies. I will walk through the tractor link software that is regarding the rural areas where farmer face difficulty in finding tractor on time. So here the solution of how farmer can book their tractor for their services. So there are three dashboards: farmer, admin, and operator. Farmer can securely log in and can book tractor like they uh, select service, land sector, and their uh, their location, and then book the tractor. After booking, the job is go to the admin where the admin select and assign to the operator who complete this task, and operator operator will complete this task, and we start the journey, then arrive at the farmer's farm and start tractor work and then complete. Then also here is the tracking system from which farmer location and uh, operator can track the live location. After completing the job, farmer can pay the amount of uh, his task, and he can also track the live status, and admin also can track his all uh, active services, and here show all bookings, farmers who connected from the system, and payments he received from the farmers, and reports the analytics of his system. And here is the settings of his like fuel metrics, the uh, software's distance charges is depend on the fuel and distance zones, and here's the service rates of every service, and there's the software that solve the uh, complete solution of any farmer. So thank you.